This video will guide you through how to correctly perform the hip bridge and march sequence. This movement is perfect for counteracting the effects of prolonged sitting. Begin by lying flat on your back, with your upper arms pressed slightly into the floor to engage your upper back. This initial posture sets the foundation for effective movement, and proper breath control is critical to maximize the benefits. As you move, we're going to inhale on the reset and exhale and squeeze through the lift. For the standard bridges, inhale deeply, filling your belly with air. As you exhale, engage your glutes and draw your abs in, lifting your hips toward the ceiling. Aim to achieve full hip extension, creating a straight line through the front side of your hips. This position opposes the typical seated posture crease, activating the muscles that are often deactivated as we sit. Complete the designated number of standard bridges, focusing on the quality of movement, breathing, and maintaining proper engagement through your pillar. After your final standard bridge, we'll move into marching bridges. Lift your hips as we just did for the standard bridge and hold at the top. On an exhale, lift one foot off the ground, keeping your knee bent at 90 degrees, and march until it's directly above your hip. Carefully place your foot back on the ground and do the same on the other side. Once you've done one on each side, reset your hips to the floor before lifting into the next bridge and performing the marches again. The goal during the marches is to keep your hips level, avoid letting them dip to either side as you lift each leg, maintaining a steady and controlled movement.